You think you know how to use ChatGPT? Think again. Because in this video, I'm revealing even more hidden commands, secret modes, and behind-the-scenes prompts that ChatGPT responds to, things most users will never discover. This is part 3 of the series, and these are the most powerful ones yet. Let's unlock them. Most people use ChatGPT to explain something, but that's the amateur version. Pros use this hidden mode, secret code. Explain this to me like I'm wrong. Challenge my assumptions, expose hidden details, and break down the idea into what I don't know yet. This turns ChatGPT into a challenger, a knowledge detector, a blind spot finder, and the answers point way deeper than standard explanations. Whether it's jargon, contracts, academic text, or technical language, this code translates anything into clear human English. Secret code. Decode this as if it were a secret message. Give me the plain meaning, hidden implications, and what the text really means. People use this to break down legal text, understand policies, decode confusing instructions. It's insanely useful. You've seen brainstorming prompts, but not this. Secret code. Generate ideas that break the normal rules. Go beyond standard patterns and combine concepts in unusual or unlikely ways. Give me bold, weird, surprising ideas. This unlocks creativity that normally requires a full creative team. Perfect for business ideas, creative projects. Ever want to understand why something works? Not just the surface-level explanation? Use this code. Secret code. Break this down like a system. Show me inputs, outputs, hidden mechanisms, and how everything works together. This is the mode used by analysts, strategists, engineers, entrepreneurs. It reveals things you can't see on your own. This one feels illegal, but it's just smart prompting. Secret code. I want you to reverse engineer my goal based on my question. Tell me what you think I'm actually trying to achieve and offer better alternatives. This lets ChatGPT read between the lines, detect your real objective, suggest faster shortcuts. It feels like you're talking to someone who actually gets you. When you ask ChatGPT something impossible, it usually says, "I can't answer that." But this code forces it to give a useful response. Secret code. If this were answerable, what would the answer look like? Give me a hypothetical solution that stays safe but still useful. Great for futuristic ideas, advanced theories, problem-solving, thinking outside the box. This is the secret creators use to get perfect results. Secret code. Before giving me the final answer, evaluate your own response for clarity, depth, accuracy, and usefulness. Improve it, then show me the optimized version. This gives you answers that are cleaner, smarter, way more detailed. It's like ChatGPT is grading its own work before you ever see it. These secret codes unlock modes ChatGPT normally hides, and they can completely transform how you use AI. If you want part 4, comment "Unlock More" below. Like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves discovering hidden features. See you in the next video.